NHS chief tell Boris Johnson no area should be brought from Tier 3 to 2 in today's review despite threat of riots as rates plunge in some lockdown regions after new cases across UK rose 50% in a week. Boris Johnson today faces being caught in a crossfire over a review of England's COVID restrictions, with NHS leaders urging him not to move anywhere down a tier while ministers were warned of a threat of riots in Tier 3 cities. NHS chief last night urged the Prime Minister to exercise extreme caution and predicting that relaxing restrictions in England could trigger a third wave of the virus. As new figures revealed, cases across the UK had spiked by 50% in a week. Senior Minister and public health expert last night carried out a review of the tier system with the possibility of some areas being moved down a level. But while health officials urged Mr. Johnson not to lower Tier 3 areas into Tier 2, ministers were also warned of growing unrest in cities under the toughest restrictions. One political insider in the Midlands reportedly warned riots could break out in cities being kept in the toughest level of restrictions despite falling infection rates. Others warned that the government faced another clash with northern leaders in cities where COVID numbers were falling. While Tier 2 areas in Oxfordshire, East and West Sussex, Brighton and Hove and Northamptonshire have all seen a rise in infection in the last 7 days. Cities such as Greater Manchester and Leeds have seen their straight drop. However, most areas are expected to remain in their current tier following that last night review chaired by Health Secretary Matt Hancock. The decision will be reported to a Parliament later today. Any changes will take effect from Saturday. The review takes place as figures revealed how daily coronavirus infection in the UK have spiked by 50% again as health chiefs recorded another 25,161 cases in the last 24 hours. COVID-19 deaths have also risen 14% week on week, with 612 new victims reported today compared to 533 a week ago. It is the second day in a row that daily infections spiked by more than 50% after 18,450 positive tests were announced on Tuesday, up from 12,282 a week earlier. The warning about COVID rule relaxation came as Boris Johnson hinted that all of kind will be kept in Tier 3 as council wait to hear if their counties will be split along urban-rural lines of infection. England Chief Medical Officer Chris Whitty gave a grim warning that this is not a moment to relax at all. UK daily COVID cases rose 50% in a week with 25,161 more positive tests as official record another 612 deaths. Butlins announced plans to close two of its resorts amid fear visitors would travel from Tier 3 areas and spread COVID on their holidays. And it was revealed who scientists will travel to Wuhan in January to investigate the origin of COVID-19 after months of negotiating for access.